Welcome to see the video of beautiful birds. Need a dash of color in your life. You need only turn to your feathered friends as the beautiful birds in the world offer a dazzling array of shapes, colors and patterns for you to feast your eyes upon. Come with us on a virtual bird watching session as we appreciate these beautiful birds in no particular order. With over 10,000 birds worldwide, many of them are exceptionally beautiful. It's an uphill task naming the most beautiful birds. We know that coming up with a countdown of the most beautiful birds can be an excessively subjective affair given your different individual preferences. Nonetheless, we have compiled this list of 10 of the most stunning avian creatures that exude mind boggling beauty. Let's take a look. In this list, we have included birds with some of the most striking colors, intricate patterns, cute plumage, magnificent shimmers, curious beaks, and much more. I promise you this will be fly. The Bohemian waxwing is medium-sized bird with a signature crested. He had a distinctive black mask. They are mostly bluish brown with salmon-hued undertail, plumage, and yellow tipped tails. The red color feather adds beautify this passerine. The Bohemian is one of the three waxwing species that exist. The other two are the cedar waxwing and the Swanning waxwing. Bohemian waxwings can be found in North America, where they live in boreal forest, nesting on tree branches, where small insects and fruit make up their diets. They are migratory birds that move in massive flocks into the northwest of the United States during winter.